Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jan Dyer. You know, we only think about having a meal with people at dinner time or having a group of people over. Why not breakfast or why not brunch? So that's what I'm working with today because we're getting ready for the holiday season. Will we be able to have gatherings? I don't know. But I always like to look ahead and kind of decide what would be a good option. And I use this casserole all the time. It's just a breakfast casserole. And I got this from Martha McAlister. I don't know how many years I've been making it, but I've known Martha for 40 years. So, but I haven't been making it that long. But this just makes a delicious option for breakfast casserole because this one does not have any bread. Now, if I'm having a group of people over, even at breakfast or at brunch, I want to have a cinnamon roll or something sweet. So opting with not having bread in this casserole to me just makes sense. So let me show you what all's in it. It's very simple, and I've already got it started. Had to brown 2 pounds of sausage, and I just used regular sausage. I didn't use the spicy. If I were making this for our family, I absolutely would have done the spicy, but tomorrow just happens to be property tour day and our meeting in our office. So I thought, well, this is perfect. I will make this up tonight, and that's what the recipe says to do. Make it the night before, cover it with foil, keep it in the fridge, and then take it out in the morning and pop it in the oven. So, but I'll walk you through all that. So all we're going to do is put 2 pounds of sausage in a 9x13 casserole. I think we could have gotten away without spraying it, but I just sprayed it for good measure. So 2 pounds of sausage going in. You would have drained it. This one didn't have much fat in it, so I didn't worry about it. And if there was any, I've got this slotted spoon, so that would have gotten it out. So anyway, that's 2 pounds of sausage. What we put on top of this is green chilies. And that's what these are. These are the hatch green chilies that are only around for a certain time of the year. So I got these, but these do stay hot. So, but I didn't use the hot sausage, so by using these, maybe it won't be too bad. Anyways, 2 cans, and these are the little cans. So they are the 4-ounce cans. So really it's 8 ounces of green chili. So I'm gonna try to pour these in here. If I need help spreading it out, I'll use this and kind of do that. I think I will. You did not drain them, but see, I'm just going to kind of make sure I've got a green chilies in every bite because that's an awesome flavor. Now, we're halfway done. We're going to take 12 eggs, and these are my farm fresh eggs that I got from my dear friend at church. These are the last of my eggs, so I'll have to give her a call and get some more because I have loved having these. But 12 eggs, and you just pour it over, and it's just gonna, it stands up and looks so pretty. I do this holidays when it's my family, but you know, really and truly, wouldn't it be fun just to have a big breakfast, get together on Saturday with your friends instead of worrying about a big dinner? It's just more relaxed in the morning. Then we need 2 cups of whatever type cheese you like. This is a medium cheddar, but you could have gone with a sharp cheddar. You could have gone with a, you know, Colby Jack or pepper jack, whatever you want, whatever's your favorite. This is a blocked cheese that I grated just because it seems to me like I get a better melt if I don't buy the already grated cheeses. Isn't that amazing? This is it. Then what you do, I'm going to cover it with foil. It's going to go in the refrigerator and it's going to set all night. And then I will take it out in the morning. Probably what I'll do is I'm getting ready, set it out, let it come to temperature a little bit, have the oven ready. It cooks in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes with the foil on. Then remove the foil, turn it up to 400. That's just so you can get a really good bubble on this cheese. And it bakes for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. It will be delicious. Doesn't it look delicious? And I tell you, because it's got to set all night and we won't see each other, I'll make sure we get a really good picture of it so you'll know what it looks like. But it's just a great option. Of course, you know what, the casseroles with all the cheeses and meats and, bread and stuff in them, they're very good. But I just always opt for another bread option. So this just makes me feel better about it. I don't know. Crazy that way. Okay. This is going to be tomorrow morning's breakfast at our office. I thank you, Martha McAlister, for the recipe. I know that you've made it many times, and so have we. It's delicious. I hope you'll try it, and we'll make sure we get a picture of it tomorrow so you'll see what it looks like. But y'all have a great evening, and I will see you soon.